This is not accelerated, this is in real time, but it shows you what the material looks like. So this is a cross-sectional X-ray video taken of the material as it's going through the process. So you're going to see the video starting just as the pallet's coming out of the pick and place machine, coming in contact with the magnetic pallet system, and you'll see the particles aligning rather quickly. So just came in contact with the pallet, those particles instantly start to align and create these vertical wires, for lack of a better term. And then after about 10 seconds, they're fully formed. It's now in the reflow oven or in the box oven. It's curing. Those particles are being locked into place, creating a very low resistance interface and giving us a very high bond. Part of the reason we get a very high bond is because we're loading at a much lower percentage of these conductive particles. Typically, you'd be looking at an ECA that's going to range from on the low end of maybe 65 or 70% all the way up to sometimes 85, 90, 95%. We're closer to 30%. So the remainder of that material is the two-part epoxy adhesive that has a very high strength of bond. That also underfills the entire component, as I said, which gives you very good environmental protection. So you're eliminating the parasitics that can occur with solders if you don't underfill properly. You're eliminating the potential flexing of a material. We can pass 1/4 inch mandrel bend without encapsulation, so very high bond and structural durability.